In our problem we have 249 times 249 divided by 249 divided by 249. And because according to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this multiplication, it's wrong. Okay? Now let's start our solution. So first we do this multiplication. We have 249 times 249, which equals 62,001. Rewrite our problem and we get 62,001 divided by 249 divided by 249. So we have to work from left to right. 62,001 divided by 249, which equals 249 divided by 249, which equals 1. And this was our final answer for this problem.